Hello friends, I am Akriti Dubey, a third year Electronics and Communication student of Kanpur Institute of Technology, and I am here to give my views on Microsoft's Visual Programming Language. The Microsoft's Visual Programming Language is basically an application development program which is based on the graphical data flow model, programming model. Rather than a series of sequential commands which are executed sequentially, it consists more of commands like workers on an assembly line which do their work as the material arrive. Now, because of this characteristic feature of the visual programming language, it is used for more of concurrent and distributed processing type scenarios. Now, the visual programming language has basically activity blocks which have input and output through which they are connected to other activity blocks. The next most important thing of a visual programming language is the notification output connection. Here is an example. Now this is the basic page of a visual programming language. There are basic activities, there are servers, you have options, you select them, and through the visual programming language any application can be performed. The next thing is the sample Microsoft Visual Programming Language diagram. As I told you earlier, these are the activity blocks which have both the input and the output. These are the connection lines through which the different activity blocks are connected to each other. The simplest of the application of the visual programming language is the say text application, in which anything that is written can be converted into a speech form through the visual programming languages. Now, this visual programming language is a very easy and a basic language, but this does not mean that it is limited only to novices. It also appeals to more advanced programmers because of rapid prototyping or the code development scenario of it. Now, the application, when we come to the application point of view, it is used in gamings, in softwares, game softwares. The very basic example is Microsoft's Boku, the gaming montage, the Devil Eyes, and there are many other examples of games which are based on the visual programming language. Not only games, Microsoft's visual programming language also appeals to those students which have electronics as their major discipline, because this programming language can be used to program robots. For example, the joystick, the movement of the head, the 3D motor, the sensor, all this can be programmed through the Microsoft's visual programming language. So in a way, we can say that Microsoft's visual programming language has a very high scope for future, and it is not just limited to novices. It can be used for high and technical things, very high gravity technical things. Thank you.